What has been y'all's strategy and kind of the proven strategy that you've used to build out that incoming funnel and be able to prove out your experience and make those conversations less painful?
Yeah, I would say for me, working on Upwork, getting reviews, like first 5 or 6 reviews, after you get that, you're pretty much validated in the eyes of a lot of clients. So just like take whatever jobs you need to get that, and preferably like shorter jobs that are easy that you can do in like a day, ideally that you could complete it, get a good review, and that helps a lot of clients. That's been my experience on that platform.
I'd also say with Upwork, a cool thing you can do is, you have your existing contract right now, you know your skill set. You can look on Upwork to see who gets jobs by just throwing the job ID. I think it still works. You can see who gets it, what their background is, and try to match your skill path to that. But another thing with freelancing to get more of the funnel, I haven't done the best in this area, but I'm trying more now. Like word of mouth, even being here, looking at the job board, getting that first touch with the person, like actually talking to a human, being able to get in front of them and understand their problem. I think that's really important too. Just the word of mouth, however you can do it, will help you get the referrals.
My side, my main strategy from the beginning was relationships and therefore getting referral. And I did that by, when I started out, I reached out to almost every colleague I had over the past. I told them that what I was doing. I told them if someone needs help with data, I'm the data guy for them. Once I got some clients through Upwork, off Upwork, doesn't matter. I try to mingle with them a lot, try to be kind of like had a friendly relationship with them so far that even nowadays I reach out to them once in a while. I even send most of them Christmas cards. Again, I just try to the relationship side because I feel like there are tons of ways of getting inbound clients. It takes time to write good articles, get SEO, get traffic, and all that stuff. For me, I talk to people right away. It's so much faster. So it was always my strategy.
I'll just add one thing on the funnel side. Actually, all my clients right now and leads are coming from inbound leads from my YouTube videos and my Medium articles. So I guess the one thing about that is it takes time. I've been making content for 3 years. And so it's kind of like 3 years in the making. I'm getting leads from articles I wrote 2 years ago. So it's not something that's going to get you the immediate return on investment. Probably Upwork is going to get you more immediate results and then probably referrals. So I guess there's something to be said about diversifying how you get leads. Of course, that's not necessary because, everyone here has not diversified and found a way to be successful.